if you are facing network issues like poor signal, mobile data not working or call drops problems on your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile, so don't worry. In this video, I will show you the solutions to how you can fix the network problems in your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile. So let's get started. As you can see, my phone is showing LTE or 4G with an exclamation mark on the network icon. This means the network is available, but the internet isn't working now. So if you want to fix the problem, then first of all open settings. After that, tap on network and internet. Then tap on SIMs and mobile network option. After that, if you are using dual SIMs, then you need to choose the SIM card for which you want to fix the network issue. Make sure your mobile data is enabled for that SIM. Now if you scroll down, then here you find VoLTE option. Here you just turn it off. After that, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. You just need to turn VoLTE off and on for 2 times. Now you can see that my network problem is solved. It is showing 5G and there is no exclamation mark on the network icon anymore. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, then please leave a like.